The AYOLNY 750 watts electric mountain bike is equipped with a powerful motor that ensures strong acceleration and can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for tackling steep hills. With a battery that can last up to 55 miles on a single charge, this electric bike offers impressive range, and it charges quickly in just 3 to 4 hours. Designed with durability in mind, it features 26-inch tires, an aluminum frame, and iron front suspension, providing stability on rugged terrains and supporting up to 330 pounds. For safety and convenience, the bike includes an LCD display for real-time data, front LED headlight, rear taillight, and mechanical disc brakes to ensure control in all weather conditions. The bike arrives mostly pre-assembled and includes necessary tools and accessories, making it easy for both adults and teens to start riding right away. Whether you're commuting daily or hitting off-road trails, this electric bicycle is a reliable choice for those seeking adventure or a dependable ride.